Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an envelope card with paper. First, gather your supplies. You'll need one sheet of paper, ideally 8.5 by 11 inches, along with a ruler, pencil, and scissors. Don't forget some double-sided tape or glue to hold everything together. And for a personal touch, grab some decorative items like stickers or colorful markers. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get precise with our measurements. Take your 8.5 by 11 inch paper and cut it down to a perfect 8 by 8 inch square. Next, use your ruler and pencil to mark the exact center point on all 4 sides of the square. Then, draw light diagonal lines connecting each corner to the center mark on the opposite side. These lines are crucial guides for the next step, ensuring your envelope card takes the correct form. With your lines drawn, it's time to fold. Carefully bring each of the 4 corners inward, making sure the tip of each corner meets the very center point of your square. It's important that the folded edges align neatly, creating a clean, crisp look without any overlaps. Once all 4 corners are folded, firmly crease each fold. You can use your fingers or a bone folder for extra sharpness. This step forms the fundamental shape of your unique envelope card. Finally, let's secure and personalize your creation. Apply a small amount of double-sided tape or glue to 3 of the 4 folded flaps. Carefully press these 3 flaps together, forming a secure pocket for your card. Remember to leave one flap open. This will be the top opening of your envelope card. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Use your markers, stickers, or stamps to add a personal touch, making your handmade envelope card truly special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.